Hello guys, it's Vincent David here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, good to see you. Good to do your face again. If this is the first video you're watching for the year on my YouTube channel, I would so to say Happy New Year. Alright guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel this year. And for those who know, for those who follow me on my social media handles, if you follow my social media handles that they fill on your screen. On Instagram is Vincent David Official. On Facebook is Vincent David. Twitter is Vincent David. On Instagram, on Facebook, don't send a friend request, just follow. I may not accept you, just follow so you don't miss out on the content. You understand? So, all right, welcome to my YouTube channel today. And on this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make 450k monthly in 2022. Yeah, this year, I made a pledge to myself that the values I'm going to be dropping this channel are going to be top notch and are going to be straight to the point. Okay, so I hope you have a pen and paper. I hope you're ready for the things you're about to hear. The things you're about to hear will change your life. And don't forget, if you follow my social media, you should know that New School is still on the pre-launch. New Internet Marketing School is the virtual school that we just launched. I and my team of people and send a pre-launch fee at 19,999 for the entry course of e-commerce. To sign up for New School today. Let's go. So if you watch this video to the end, you will learn how to make passive income of at least 450k, and this applies in any country's currency. Yeah, 450k naira, but it also applies to your country's currency. Yes, it also applies to your country's currency. And I don't know about you, but me, I know that extra income is very, very important. 400k, 300k can take care of many things in Nigeria. 400k can even get you a good apartment in Nigeria. Then you furnish it with from the money that is on top of it. All right, so let's go. So no matter how small it is, an extra money is very important. Don't let anybody deceive you. An extra money is very important. To always remain important. We never go out of being important. Hope you get that. So let's go. So if you must make an extra 450k in 2022, then you must do these three things. The first thing is learn how to sell a product. Second one is learn how to sell a service. Third one is learn a new skill. I mean what I'm saying. I kid you not. My three primary income streams right now. Okay, my primary income stream is e-commerce. Then there's information marketing. Then there's crypto. And these primary income, three income streams. I know how they bring money to my life, right? So if I need an extra income stream, I know what to do. YouTube for me is an extra income stream, which I'll be monetizing very, very soon. Hopefully for March. We're looking at how that would be. All right, so let's go. So how to achieve this? The first one to how do you achieve this? I think I have 10 of them or 7 of them. How do you make at least 450k a month this 2022? All right, the first one is to create an information product. Let me tell you something. When you go to school, you don't pay school fees because of the environment. Yes, you can pay school fees, but you pay school fees for an information. Ignorance attracts a cost. When somebody is ignorant, you pay for information, you pay for knowledge. Nobody gives valuable things free of charge. You should learn that this year. Nobody gives valuable things free of charge. So the first thing to do is to look for a high valued information product that people will feel they are cheating you to pay you for. Yes, people will feel they are cheating you to pay you for. There's a story of somebody that his generator was, he has never used the gem before because he used it. Pardon my error typo in the achieve. Because he always used to use light. So his generator was spoiled. He doesn't know how. Okay, I think this just came out from outside the contract to repair the gem. Then he called the generator repairer, and the generator repairer changed the plug for her. The generator plug, now spark plug at least 500 naira. But changed the plug for her and collected 12,000 naira. Why? The woman didn't pay for the plug. She paid for an information she was not aware of. May call that ripping off, but come on. If you know more than somebody, the person should pay you for what you know. So this year, don't sleep on information product. What do you know that you can sell? I can list the whole of them. How to last long in bed. You may see that market is saturated, but it's evergreen. Men are not lasting long in bed anymore. A lot of men don't last long in bed. how to stop snoring, how to deal with um, um, sweaty hands, how to deal with smelly legs in shoes, how to a lot of how to. So you should learn to create an information product. An information product will always be a gold mine. An information product will always be a gold mine. An information product is very powerful because people will always pay you for what they don't know, but they feel you know. For instance, again, another example is how to deal with body odor. It's a problem. People do not know it. You can create an ebook, a video course, and sell it. If you price it at 5,000 naira and sell 10, that's 2,000 naira. If you sell 100, that's 500,000. And you can't tell me that, let's say, in a month, you can't make that thing if you really, really know what you're doing. Okay, let's say you sell it at 10,000 naira. You just need 50 sales to get 500,000 naira. Why? Because it's really a problem and people want to solve it. All right, so how to achieve this? This can be an ebook, an audio book, a video guide, a podcast, etc. And one beautiful thing is this: all you just need to do is create it once. One thing about information product is you create it once and it sells itself. So that once, that time you put into creating, into gathering the whole knowledge and disseminating it, that time you put into creation, that one time is what the work is. And when you create it once, the passive income, 450K, is not bad at all. Second thing is sell a physical product with paid advertisement. I keep hammering this in. A lot of you don't understand the power of paid advertisement. If one person organically sees your advert or sees your product organically means start paid advertisement. In paid advertisement, that time it takes one person to see it. 30 persons can see it, and out of 30 persons, 2 can buy. But if 30 persons see your product without paid advertisement, they have to wait for like 30 days. So paid advertisements fast tracks your results. Now sell a product of 25,000. How many 25,000 are in 500,000? It's very simple. There are 4 25,000 in 100,000. There are 8 25,000 in 200,000. 16 25,000 in 400,000. 20 25,000 in 400,000. So just 20 25,000. You've made 500K. Who cares? What you need to do, put your advert to just reach, let's say, 2,000 persons. 10% of your advert will convert for you, and that's 500,000 naira. So if you don't know that, learn paid advertising. It's going to help you to make 4,000 a week. Right. So third one is sign up on Fiverr. And I understand you people they don't really know how this goes. Let me do a new share. So what is Fiverr? Fiverr Fiverr is simply a platform where people go and showcase their skill, right? And put it up for hire. Okay, so if you are a good graphic designer, put up your skill for hire. Sorry. So Fiverr is a platform where people go and showcase their skill for hire. So let's say you're a good graphic designer, put up your skill for hire. Let people hire you. Yes, let people hire you. Let people that know what you do. They will actually hire you. And you will see you really, really kill it on Fiverr. So let's see Fiverr. Let's see how Fiverr goes. So this is Fiverr.com. You go to Fiverr. You can be a graphic designer, you can be a voiceover artist, you can be good at Photoshop. And these things you can learn it on YouTube. Dedicate 1 month, 2 months, learn Photoshop, all right? Learn voiceover, learn graphic designing. Go to Fiverr, sign up, do free gigs first of all, so the rating will come up high. I didn't get it, Fiverr. Yeah, rating will come up high. Then they drop reviews for you. Now, when they drop reviews for you, you start getting gigs. Okay, now there's somebody that is paid 15,000. Remember, paid 15. 10 customers is 150,000. 20 is 300,000. By the time it gets to 30, it's 450,000. Right? 450,000 is 30, and you're good to go. So come on Fiverr, go first of all, go to YouTube, learn a skill, perfect it, come on Fiverr and sign up on Fiverr. People are going to hire you. All right. So don't just sit back and say, This is Fiverr. This is how Fiverr site looks like. All right. Yes, you can say there's no money to make. I don't have
Stacy
money.
has 4 kids, I have 3, and we
Okay.
really started this business in the midst of all of that chaos and craziness. We're
Okay.
living in unprecedented times, and every shop does need to have a digital presence, whether it be people walking through our door or people hundreds of miles away looking at our website. We want everyone to feel like they know us. This isn't just furniture.
Put a testimonial on Fiverr. Stuff like this.
People
Uh,
trust us to find these pieces.
Stuff like this are very, very encouraging. So sign up on Fiverr and get your ass to work. Don't be found sleeping on a bicycle in this new year. Honestly, I'm pleading with you in the name of God. Don't be found sleeping on a bicycle in this new year. So that's it. How to achieve the number first one is learn financial market. Yes, in this year, learn financial market, learn forex, learn cryptocurrency, right? I don't know my type, I'm very sorry. So learn forex, learn cryptocurrency in this 2 year. Don't sleep on cryptocurrency. Yes, you don't have money to pay for a class. Yeah, go for scattered knowledge. There's cryptocurrency in forex. There's cryptocurrency. You can do buying and holding. You can do scalping. You can do short trade, day trade, and stuff like that. You make a whole lot of money with this thing. So learn the financial market this year. So the next one is sell other people's product, affiliate marketing. Sell other people's product, affiliate marketing. Our affiliate marketing program. So you can sign up at Nim School. Our affiliate marketing program will come up by next month. So yeah, you can go to sell the course at Nim School and make profit, right? Yeah. So the marketing program will come up at next month. The affiliate marketing program for expert, yeah, which is what most people know. Which is what most people know. Which is what most people know. There's an affiliate marketing program for expert, yeah. There's one for Daba.school. So near.com, Daba.school. So a lot of affiliate marketing programs. Go and sell other people's knowledge using paid advertising or even organic. One thing with organic advertising is the money you make from organic advertising, put it into paid advertising, and you're going to see the dividend it will use for you. So sell other people's product. The next one is learn a new skill set and sell it. Learn a new skill set and sell it. You should learn a new skill set and sell it. Now, one way to selling skill very fast, I said it before when I mentioned Fiverr, is to first of all offer that skill as for free to people. Give it to people for free and be good at it. Then, in turn, beg them. Don't ask them like it's a right. Beg them to recommend you to others. Let them recommend it to people. Now, when they do that, you make more money. So for free, say put up your skill set for free. Let them recommend you. And when they now recommend you, you now make a whole lot of money. Next one is this float and agency. I'm going to touch on this because this is very, very powerful. Float and agency. Float is social media agency. This one can really help you make a lot of money this year. Tell people that you set up social media campaigns, you design, like social media campaign this, you design web banners, you design ad copies, you do creatives, you work really hard. You don't be able to do any of these things. You just have the basic knowledge. What do? Come to Fiverr and hire people. There are graphic designers, there are Photoshop here. Hire people on Fiverr, collect the bulk money and pay the claim. How do you achieve this? Hire other experts, other people's expertise. Graphic designer, video editor, voice artist. You can hire on Fiverr. Give the client a quotation. Tell them this thing is 2 million naira or 500,000 naira or 700,000 naira. Give them a quotation, right? Now, when they do that, you pay the expert and take your cut. It's simple. Pay the experts and take your cut. Create an agency, float to Facebook advertise people and manage Facebook in Facebook pages, Instagram pages, hire a social media manager, collect the money is 100k, pay the person 30k, keep 70k. Do it for 10%, 700k. Simple, cool money. Do it for 10%, 700k. You just be overseeing, you be managing. Okay, you'll be overseeing, you be managing the person. Alright guys, so the next one is give free knowledge as a bit and charge for premium knowledge. I'm going to explain it. It works for information product. So this is it. You give free knowledge as a bit. You want to teach how to sell cake. You teach how to design and bake round cake. Then you sell how to ice cake and return cake to professional or video as to cake. So you can sell how to make cake, just normal cake, then sell the icing. Okay, so about that. So, okay, so you design cake, you sell, give a free knowledge and a bit, and charge for premium knowledge. And people will always pay because what people resent is when you don't give value and you want to take from them. But when you give them value and you charge them, then some other people that are not wise may grumble, but people that are wise will really pay. Yes. I know you've learned a lot from this video. I know you've learned a lot, and I believe you've learned a whole lot. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, ask me questions on the comment section. Please don't come to my WhatsApp. Oh. My friend said they came to his WhatsApp and he posted it and everybody was actually on his neck. You don't come to my WhatsApp. Me, I will not even answer you. Ask the questions here so that others will what learn. Follow my social media handle, and one thing you should do is you want to sign up at new school. Yeah, you want to sign up at new school. We just launched new school just shortly, just before the as the year was about to run out, we made an announcement we launched new school. So the new school will have a whole lot of courses for you. So if you sign up at new school, you will get a whole lot of courses, and we've released our pre-launch price, and our pre-launch price is at 19,999. So if you sign up now, you will get access to the e-commerce entry course, which will go to 60,000 naira shortly. Okay, so the pre-launch is coming up a few days time, and I hope you are there. Okay, so thank you for watching. The link to new school NMS school will be in the description box. Subscribe to the channel, and please, I will see you next time. Thank you.